Hello YouTube. So in today's video, I am at the Baha Mar by the Hyatt, the Grand Baha Mar. I'm going to do a room review. So as you walk through this bright red door, that's me. So as you walk through the bright red door, this is the 25th floor. This is the reserve. So when you walk in, you have covered peephole. Of course, you have your locks. You have your light controls for most of the room here. Okay, so now when you turn to the right, you do have your closet. It's a little on the small side. Got your luggage rack, room for your luggage. They give you slippers, robes, laundry bags, shoehorn. Not sure what this brush is, but it is soft bristle with a leather backing. Okay, so as you walk in, you have a mirror in the hallway. Oh, and the floor is tile. You have a tile floor. When you get right here, you have another closet on this side. And your safe is down there. Okay, so now I'm about to walk in the bathroom. So you have two doors to open the bathroom. Okay, so now as you walk into the bathroom, you're greeted with a huge mirror with accent lighting, magnified mirror. Over here, plug in, you have his and her sinks on both sides. They give you two glasses, body lotions, your rags, tissue, soap on both sides. Probably something for makeup, I assume. Up under the sink, they give you a bath mat, more towels, tissues, Kleenex, and in the pull-out drawer that is lined, got a hair dryer over here. Then you have a pretty spacious shower. You have two shower heads. One shower have a rainfall shower head. They give you body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. In this other see-through glass, you do have your toilet with trash can tissue. At least you flush there. Light here. Go ahead and close that. Behind us, you have a bathtub with your controls there, some more soap, more rags. So, once you got the bathtub, you have this wall here. This wall opens up to give you a view of your room. So now I'm going to walk around through the hallway to show you what the room looks like. So as you're walking down the hallway, you have your HVAC control, which this does go off when you open the sliding glass door. So here you have a long bench, which don't know what this bench is here for. I've heard someone say you can sit here and watch someone use the bathroom or be in the tub in some other videos. But as you come into the room, you have a king-size bed. You have a lamp. In here, just an empty drawer. To your left, you have a coffee station. They do give you free bottles. You get more glasses. Then you have a little pull-out set for your coffee. Cork bottle opener. Beneath that, you have a mini refrigerator that is unstocked, so you can put your own stuff in it. You have a 43 to 50-inch TV, not really sure of the size. Your telephone with lamp, leather desk chair. Over in this area, you do have carpet. Have a sitting area, little love seat, ottoman. Your full-size bed, like I said earlier. So over here, you have the controls for your ceiling fan. So this room does come with a ceiling fan. And then you walk out on the balcony. Like I said earlier, this is the reserve fountain view. Have a little mini balcony here. And then this is your view from the 26th floor. So you can see the ocean over there. So you can still kind of see the ocean a little bit. But this is your fountains here. I want to get a video tonight when they're lit up. Yeah, this is your view. The grand entrance to the hotel is across this bridge, and you go in right here. So this is the front of the hotel. So stay tuned tonight, and I will give you a view of the fountains going off, and maybe a black light test.